If you love stone, taupe, and cream textured bundles that already feel coordinated and ready to use, keep watching. This 5-piece fabric bundle of 8 by 10-inch cuts builds into a much richer reveal as each piece comes forward. It includes an antique taupe colored fabric. It's a darker color, kind of like a coffee and cream colored kind of taupe. And you can see the nubbiness of the weave. Look at that texture. And like I said, this is a vintage fabric. It's a lighter weight. And it pairs nicely with the contrast of the smooth silk taffeta. And it's the typical crispness that you see in silk taffeta. This would be like a base fabric. And this piece here, look at this. It mimics a hand sewn piece. This is machine sewn, but it mimics the hand sewn straight stitch. Look at that. This is the back. Isn't that nice? Now look how these pair hook together. Okay. All those textures. Our next piece, this is a slightly, it's not really metallic, but it has a sheen. And it's kind of a pewter, like a cross between pewter and taupe, maybe. Look at the close-up. And it's kind of a felt back. This is a faux leather. This is a very high-end piece. Look at that. Now watch how this comes together. Just do it like this so you can see all these next to each other. Look at that. Coming together nicely. And just for some added texture, I have a wash piece of 100% cotton canvas. Now this is, I think, around a 10-ounce weight. In a neutral, just a neutral color. Undyed canvas. Let's put that together here. And look at all those different pieces. Look at the textures. Definitely ready for your next project. If you like this palette, the link is in the description below.